Okay, so let's go for the next step to assess the energy. So you can see here, let's close them down here. Okay, so this is normally how you will see the edge up then. So it starts with the energy efficiency measures number 01, reduced window wall ratio. So it's given a wall ratio of window wall ratio of 3.92. If you want to change that because you have a different one, which is probably, then you click that one as we have seen in the YouTube video, and it will change. But here the visualization. However, now comes the tricky part. Of course you can click it, but you also have to give the evidence for that. So you have to upload documents or do the calculation. I will show you that on the given one here. For example, this would be then the calculation. So there's no north, south, east or west orientation from the building which we had there. It was northeast one, and these are you can see no windows northwest or southwest. So we have to give the evidence for that, and this you can do here. So at first you have to calculate it. So this is the calculation. So you will get a calculator. So you put the window wall ratio data north, east, and northwest, southeast, and so on. So this is just the wall here, as you can see, wall, and this is a glazing area, and the value is 3.93. So let me close that one. For this calculation, you have to give the evidence, and that would be, for example, reduced window to wall ratio evidence would be pictures like or evidence like that one. Let me see if it's doing that. It's downloading a little bit too much, so you have to give them the evidence of the site development plan. That means that's there can see the orientation of the building, and then normally some information. Let me see if I can give you that here. Allow. Okay, if I can get any evidence here. Sorry for that. So this is then the architectural plans to show there and do the. So this is evidence which you have to give for the window wall ratio. Let's do another one. Let's close that one. Let's go for example for the paint. So we were here. So let's see what if you click for reflective paint for the roof. So also here you have a calculator which is empty now, but I will give you the other version. Let's see here. So let's go for the reflective paint calculator. Main roof pre-colored green. So it was not a white roof, it was a green, and that was the total area, 100% of the area by 0.67. For that one, again, we have to give the evidence, and that would be let me see if I can open that again. Sorry, I have to come again up with that. So that would be, for example, one picture, and you can see here the full area is in green color, and what you normally also would have to give there is probably the green color, the reflection coefficient is. Okay, let's go back on that one. So we have, I showed you two, and now I want to show you, I think, which is probably for you a very interesting one, is the number insulation of external walls. So if you click that, some changes will be here. And so this is a given U value from the base case. So if you want to be better, then you have to give evidence for that. So let's see. Insulation for the walls. We were saying we have a better one, 0.10. And that's the calculator. So the U value calculator for external walls, you can see several columns here. You have the material for the wall construction, you have the thickness, you have the material conductivity, and the resistance. So for this example, for example, we had a concrete medium density wall with an airspace of 100 millimeter and a concrete medium density, and then a plaster, cement plaster. So you just add them up, and it's also including already in the software the outside air film and the inside air film, and we come up with a U value of 0.10. And you can do this for the other walls too. So let's go back. So I showed you three possibilities of energy savings in the building. So we have several options. We just used the blue ones here now, which is for the cooling energy. There's pumping energy, light, food court, kitcheretti, this is the cooking, heating energy, fan energy, and others. So this is the same color code then on the left side. For example, we have ground source heat pump, then it would go to the pump there. Recovery of heat waste from generated for heat spacing. Of course, if we don't have heat spacing, then we cannot use that one. Here, the yellow ones are the one for the light, and we have the orange ones. This is, for example, if you add additional energy source. We have, for example, we put the solar photovoltaics there. Let's open that one for a moment. So you can review the documents. We have to give the evidence. So we have a screenshot, which I showed you before. When I showed you the roof, there was also the solar panel visible. And this is then the evidence. And let me see if this is opening. Then I can also give you which one is opening. Let's see. Okay, that is showing the panel on the roof. Let's close that one. And let's see if this is a different one. I hope so. Yeah, this gives then actually the indicator that we have a regulator, but it doesn't show the battery, but that we do monitoring. Okay, so this is the evidence which you have to give. Let's go back. You have smart energy meter for electrical energy. So we did for the solar photovoltaics, but we did not apply for smart energy metering. Okay, I will leave it now on the energy for here now, and the next one which we will go would be then water.